Using a two-way radio, the basics of communication. The first step to understanding how your handheld radios work is to become familiar with the different parts of your radio and their functions. With this knowledge, you will be more equipped to properly use these devices along with their accessories. Proper usage of your communications will assure that your system functions optimally and that you get the longest life out of your product. Power on your radio. If using a handheld with no accessories such as an earpiece or shoulder mic, turn the power knob on your two-way radio to power it up. Make sure that when you power on, you see the light at the top right and you hear. Find your channel. Turn to the correct channel on your two-way radio to make sure that you and those whom you are communicating with are operating on the same frequencies. Push to talk. Notice the push to talk button on the side of your two-way radio. After the radio is powered on, press the push to talk button, look for the red light, wait for just a moment, and transmit your message, like this. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Once you've completed your message, let go of the button so that you can now receive messages from the other radio or radios on your channel. Proper use of accessories. The most common human error happens while utilizing accessories with two-way radios. Whether it's a shoulder microphone or an earpiece, it is vital that you power down your radio before inserting your plug into the accessory jack on your handheld. Once you have firmly inserted your accessory, give it one extra push just to make sure it's all the way connected. Then, power your radio on and test it out. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Powering down. Before you detach any accessories from your handheld two-way radio, be sure that you power down. If you're not utilizing any earpieces or shoulder mics, still power down your radio before placing on the charger. Charge up. After powering down your radio, plug your charger into the wall and place your handheld firmly inside. Charging your radios in the off position allows for a quick charge process and a longer life for your communications. Now that you know the basics, you're ready to start using your two-way radio system.